Are you tired of flimsy handrails that compromise safety and style? Introducing our premium stainless steel handrailing, the solution to your safety and aesthetic needs. Crafted from top-grade stainless steel, our handrails combine durability with elegance, offering a reliable support system that's perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings. They rust, corrosion, and fading, ensuring they look great and perform flawlessly for years to come. Imagine enhancing the beauty of your staircase or balcony while ensuring the safety of your loved ones. Our stainless steel handrails are not just a clever design solution, they are a critical protective feature for your home or commercial space. With various styles and finishes available, you can find the perfect match for your decor, elevating your environment's overall appeal. Whether you're building a new space or refurbishing an old one, make your handrail choice count with a product that showcases your commitment to quality and safety. Ready to transform your space with our stunning stainless steel handrailing? Call us today to know more details. Visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.